take a slow, gentle breath and allow yourself to arrive in this peaceful moment. You are safe here. You do not have to force anything, chase anything, or prove anything right now. These powerful I am affirmations are here to help you reconnect with your inner strength, your calm energy, your self-belief, and the beautiful truth of who you really are. As you listen, let each word softly enter your heart and remind you that you are worthy, capable, supported, and deeply loved. For the best results, listen to these affirmations for 21 days and allow your mind, body, and spirit to slowly open to new thoughts, new feelings, and new possibilities. Stay with this gentle energy, relax your body, and receive these words with love and compassion. Now gently bring your attention back to yourself, back to your breath, and back to this quiet space within you. Let every word you hear become a loving reminder that you are not behind in life, you are not broken, and you are not lost. You are growing, healing, learning, and becoming more connected with the peaceful truth inside your heart. I am safe at this moment. I am calm in my body. I am open to receiving peace. I am allowing my mind to rest. I am no longer fighting with myself. I am choosing gentle thoughts. I am choosing kind words. I am choosing to believe that life can become softer, easier, and more beautiful for me. I am enough exactly as I am right now. I do not need to become someone else to be loved, accepted, or valued. I am worthy of love at this moment. I am worthy of respect at this moment. I am worthy of peace at this moment. I am learning to speak to myself with kindness. I am learning to treat my heart with care. I am releasing the habit of being hard on myself. I am allowing myself to feel supported, guided, and deeply loved. Every breath I take reminds me that I am still here, I am still growing, and I am still becoming stronger in the most beautiful way. I am open to new beginnings. I am open to fresh energy. I am open to better thoughts and better feelings. I am not trapped by my past, and I am not limited by old stories. I am allowed to change. I am allowed to heal. I am allowed to rise again with a softer heart and a stronger spirit. I am giving myself permission to move forward slowly, peacefully, and lovingly. I am trusting the timing of my life. I am trusting that every step I take with faith, patience, and love is leading me towards something better. I am powerful in a calm and peaceful way. I do not need to rush. I do not need to force. I do not need to carry everything alone. I am learning to trust myself more each day. I am learning to listen to my inner voice. I am learning to honor my feelings without being controlled by them. I am stronger than the fear in my mind. I am bigger than the doubt in my heart. I am becoming more grounded, more peaceful, and more confident with every gentle breath I take. I am grateful for the life within me. I am grateful for the strength that has carried me through difficult moments. I am grateful for the small signs of hope that continue to appear in my life. I am grateful for the love that is already around me, even when I forget to notice it. I am grateful for every chance to begin again. I am grateful for this moment of peace. I am grateful for my heart, my journey, my courage, and my ability to keep going. I am opening myself to more peace, more joy, more love, and more beautiful experiences. I am releasing fear from my body. I am releasing pressure from my mind. I am releasing the need to know every answer right now. I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to breathe. I am allowed to take life one step at a time. I am not failing because I need time. I am not weak because I feel deeply. I am human, and I am worthy of compassion. I am giving myself the love I have been waiting to receive. I am holding my own heart with patience. I am becoming a safe place for myself. I am attracting peace into my life. I am attracting loving energy into my heart. I am attracting calm thoughts into my mind. I am attracting people, places, and moments that feel good for my soul. I am no longer available for thoughts that make me feel small. I am choosing thoughts that lift me, support me, and remind me of my worth. I am open to blessings in simple and beautiful ways. I am open to good things coming into my life with ease. I am open to receiving without guilt, fear, or doubt. I am becoming more confident in who I am. I am proud of the quiet progress I am making. I am proud of the way I keep trying, even when things are not perfect. I am proud of every moment I choose peace instead of pressure. I am proud of every moment I choose love instead of fear. I am proud of myself for being here, for listening, for healing, and for allowing these words to meet the deeper part of me. I am not waiting to be worthy. I am worthy now. I am not waiting to be enough. I have enough now. I am surrounded by loving energy. I am supported by life in ways I can see and in ways I cannot yet see. I am learning to feel safe receiving good things. I am learning to feel safe being happy. I am learning to feel safe being seen, loved, and appreciated. My heart is opening gently. My mind is becoming peaceful. My spirit is becoming lighter. I am allowing life to be kind to me. I am allowing myself to believe that beautiful changes are possible. I am choosing to return to love again and again. When my mind feels heavy, I return to love. When my heart feels tired, I return to love. When I feel unsure, I return to love. Love is my safe place. Peace is my natural state. I am connected to the strength within me. I am connected to the light within me. I am connected to the quiet wisdom that reminds me I am never truly alone. I am here, I am breathing, I am healing, and I am becoming more aligned with the peaceful, powerful, loving person I truly am. I am gently opening my heart to the good that is already trying to reach me. I am no longer closing myself off because of fear, pain, or past disappointment. I am allowing love to enter my life in soft and peaceful ways. I am allowing peace to fill the spaces where worry once lived. I am allowing hope to return to my heart. I am worthy of gentle blessings. I am worthy of kind people. I am worthy of beautiful moments that remind me life can still feel warm, safe, and meaningful. I am ready to receive more goodness without questioning if I deserve it. I am choosing to believe in myself with patience and love. I do not need to have everything figured out to trust my path. I do not need to be perfect to move forward. I am allowed to learn as I go. I am allowed to grow slowly. I am allowed to take small steps that still lead to big changes. I am becoming more confident with every loving thought I choose. I am becoming more peaceful with every deep breath I take. I am becoming more connected to the truth that I have always had strength inside me. I am releasing the need to compare my journey with anyone else. My life has its own rhythm, its own timing, and its own beautiful unfolding. I am not late. I am not behind. I am not missing out on what is meant for me. I am exactly where I need to be for the lesson, the growth, and the healing that is happening within me. I am honoring my own path. I am respecting my own pace. I am trusting that everything meant for me will meet me at the right time, in the right way, with the right energy. I am safe to become the best version of myself. I am safe to let go of old limits. I am safe to release old fears. I am safe to believe that more is possible for me. I am safe to dream again. I am safe to feel joy again. I am safe to welcome success, love, peace, healing, and abundance into my life. I am no longer holding myself back to stay comfortable in old patterns. I am growing into a new energy, a new mindset, and a new level of self-love. I am grateful for the quiet strength that lives inside my heart. Even when I felt weak, something within me kept going. Even when I felt unsure, something within me kept believing. Even when I could not see the full path, I still took another breath, another step, another chance. I am proud of my courage. I am proud of my healing. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am learning to celebrate my progress, even when it is small, because every gentle step forward matters. I am allowing my mind to become a peaceful home. I am choosing thoughts that comfort me, support me, and guide me with kindness. I am no longer feeding thoughts that hurt my spirit or make me feel unworthy. I am replacing fear with trust. I am replacing pressure with patience. I am replacing self-doubt with self-love. My thoughts are becoming softer. My heart is becoming lighter. My energy is becoming clearer. I am creating a calm inner space where love, peace, and confidence can grow. I am worthy of being loved without needing to earn it. I am worthy of being seen without needing to prove myself. I am worthy of being respected without needing to shrink who I am. I am enough in my quiet moments. I am enough in my growing moments. I am enough even when I am still healing. I am learning to accept myself with open arms. I am learning to speak to myself like someone I deeply love. I am becoming more gentle with my heart every single day. I am open to miracles in simple, natural, and peaceful ways. I am open to unexpected kindness. I am open to beautiful answers. I am open to new opportunities. I am open to calm solutions. I am open to moments that remind me I am supported by life. I do not need to chase every blessing. I can relax and allow good things to find me. I can trust that life is working with me. I can trust that I am being guided toward experiences that bring peace, joy, healing, and growth. I am letting go of the weight I was never meant to carry forever. I am releasing old guilt, old fear, old sadness, and old stories that no longer belong in my heart. I am not my past. I am not mistaken. I am not the pain I have survived. I am the strength that rose from it. I am the love that still exists after it. I am the light that continues to shine through it. I am giving myself permission to feel free, to feel safe, and to feel deeply at peace. I am returning to myself with love. I am coming back to my own heart, my own truth, and my own inner peace. I am remembering that I do not need to search outside of myself for worthiness. I already carry it within me. I am already whole at this moment. I am already valuable at this moment. I am already loved at this moment. With every breath, I become more connected to my calm power, my gentle confidence, and my beautiful ability to create a life that feels peaceful, meaningful, and full of love. As you come to the end of these powerful I am affirmations, take one more slow and gentle breath. Let your body relax, let your mind become quiet, and let your heart receive the peace that is already within you. You have given yourself this beautiful time to return to love, to remember your worth, and to reconnect with the calm strength inside you. Carry these words with you as you move through your day or rest into your night. I am safe. I am loved. I am enough. I am supported. I am becoming more peaceful, more confident, and more connected to the beautiful truth of who I am. Let these affirmations stay in your heart. Let them guide your thoughts, soften your emotions, and remind you that you are worthy of a life filled with peace, love, healing, and beautiful blessings. You do not need to rush your journey. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep returning to yourself with kindness, patience, and trust. Every time you listen, you are planting gentle thoughts in your mind and giving your heart a new reason to believe in the good that is possible for you. Thank you for spending this peaceful time here. If these affirmations brought comfort to your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who may need loving words today, and subscribe for more healing and empowering affirmations. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and write, I am safe, I am loved, and I am enough. May your heart feel calm, may your mind feel light, and may your life continue to open to more peace, more love, and more beautiful blessings.